to kind of riff off that, you know, the idea that you can basically talk to your CRM, you know, like right now inside of SAM, you can add the personal details and you can create personal messages. Well, that's pretty neat for messaging, but what if you could actually have those conversations with your CRM and it's going to be helping you? And so we're really focused on this idea that the AI within the system is being used as a tool, but it's helping you guys be more successful. That's pretty well Mark and I's core thesis on, you know, how do we keep AI safe? And so the idea that yeah, let's use that time that we have in the car. You know, that's pretty typical for agents. Let's use that productively, you know, give you insights on who you're going to be showing up and meeting with, who you're going to be working with next, you know, who haven't you talked to in a little bit. And at every point, the system's going to be able to reference those things, and it's going to be able to do so with what Mark's about to lead up into, to actually accomplish some of the other stuff, the operational pieces. So there's some really cool stuff that is going to be handed to you guys in that regard. And I'll tell you what, I asked that question, and it's funny because we pretty well have focused into about 4 key pieces that you know, everyone seems to need a little bit of help with within those processes, whether it's, you know, nurturing leads and customers, making sure things don't slip through the cracks, doing client care, or just, you know, property overview, things like that. So the ability to do that, but then also to ensure that you've got a better app, you've got a better ability to, you know, be hands off, away from the desktop, and be engaging with your CRM. You know, that the unfortunate thing, you know, not for you guys are super users, but you know, a lot of real estate agents, 14-hour days, 6 days a week is not uncommon. And imagine getting done with your entire day and then sitting on your couch, not playing with your kids, not hanging out with your spouse, not spending time with friends or picking up an activity, but just sitting in front of your computer and working in your CRM. And that's the reality for a lot of people that Mark and I are really hoping to change. And so that's a lot of, you know, the vision that we're aiming for. And you know, I hear you loud and clear, and I think that that's spot on.